Hello fun and learn student of class ninth. In this introductory video, we will discuss the syllabus of your economics of class ninth. Now, this is your syllabus of economics. 4 chapters are there and 2 chapters 1 and 2 for your 6 monthly exam, and rest of the chapter will be covered in the pre-board examination. Now, the first chapter is the story of village Palampur. The second chapter is people as a resource. So these two chapters we will cover in the 6 monthly examination. So let's take what in this chapter. So in the first chapter, the story of village Palampur, you will get to know the village background of India and an introduction towards the village economy, that is rural economy. What we will discuss in this the chapter, the first chapter, the story of village Palampur, that will discuss the rural economy, the background of the rural economy, the production activities regarding agriculture, need for production, need for agriculture, land, labor, and capital, the factors of production we will study in this chapter. Then we will study farming in rural India, then how we can grow more crops in the same piece of land, that is different type of farming, that is multiple farming, multiple cropping, and use of modern methods, farming methods. Then we will discuss types of crops, that is rabi crops, kharif crops. Then we will discuss inputs of agriculture. What are the inputs of agriculture, like pesticides, seeds, irrigation facilities. Then we will discuss modern farming methods. Then we will further discuss drawback of modern farming methods, irrigation facilities in India, particularly in the very rural areas. Then we will discuss green revolution. So distribution of land in India, distribution pattern we will study, and the rural background. What are the other non agriculture activities performed in rural India? That is your dairy activities, small scale manufacturing, shopping, shopkeeping, transportation. So these type of thing, that is for a rural background, village economy, we will discuss in the first chapter. Then we will take the second chapter, people as a resource. That what we will study in these, that is types of resources, that is natural resources. Particularly we will discuss human resource. Natural resources, capital resources are the base, but human resources we will discuss in detail in this chapter. So people as a resource, how human capital form, and what is human capital formation, we will study in that. Role of education, role of health in capital formation, we will study. Importance of human capital, we will study. Then sectors of Indian economy we will study, that is primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, economic activities, non-economic activities. This type of thing we will discuss in this chapter. Then we have some government programs regarding capital formation, like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, your national program for education, for girls education, literacy, how we will improve the literacy, effect of education, productivity. These type of thing we will discuss in your second chapter. Unemployment problem, what are the in rural urban areas, we will discuss here. This type of thing in this we will discuss in the second chapter. So we will discuss in the second chapter, and so that's all. In this video, I have given you the introduction about the syllabus of economics for class 9, for particularly for the 6 monthly exam. In the next video, we will discuss the chapter in particular in detail. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.